Rob Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code.
Welcome to B-MoneyTrading, giving a quick update where I'm at with my account. And so you can see I'm up a little over 1.5%. The SPY has been very unpredictable this morning. It looked like it was going to sell off, and now it seems to be making a comeback. The 270 area, I believe, is a key point, and it looks like it's about ready to test it again. Hopefully we're able to break above it. If we are, then I would expect to see it continue and start an uptrend, and hopefully at some point before the end of the week get to this 274 area and test it. With that said, CGC seems to have a short squeeze going on, and this is on the 5-minute. We can look on the 1-minute. A lot of day traders, one of the strategies they use is what they call opening range breakout, and on the 5-minute we can see that we had the opening range breakout, wasn't able to break below the low of the opening 5-minute candle opening range, and so people jumped in. It broke above the high of it, and then it started to make a run, and then once it was able to break above the pre-market highs, then that's when a lot of day traders look to jump in as well. And so we can see as it just continued to run up, and we can look on the 1-minute. If you're a day trader and you're trading on the 1-minute chart, then this is what they would call a fake out. It's basically, we see the opening range, it breaks below it, people jump in short, it comes back up. Other day traders see this opportunity to jump in as well, so they jump in. The next candle goes down. The people that jumped in the second 1-minute candle start to take profit, and there's just not enough momentum to keep it going down, and so we see it reverse, and then it breaks above this opening range, and then you see the volume pick up, and more people, day traders, whatnot, jump in, and then once it breaks above the pre-market highs, that's another key point that day traders are looking at, is once it breaks above the pre-market highs, then they look to jump in, because it's obviously got momentum to the upside, and then you see them jump in, and it comes up, people take profit, comes back down, still above the pre-market highs, and it just goes on this run. And after yesterday's sell-off, it's good. And you got to keep in mind, there's people that were swing trading it that had shorted it yesterday and were still in it, and so now they're getting squeezed out of it, and that's just how it gets the momentum and continues to run up. And usually if one stock, whatever sector it's in, is doing good, then other stocks in that sector will reflect it as well. And so ACB has done the same thing, and very similar to what I just explained on CGC. And the SPY it's above 269, which is good. I want to see it break above 270. 270, I believe, is a key price point. Looks like it's kind of a pullback to the 9-day EMA. This is on the 1-minute. 5-minute is still way above it, and the high for this candle was 269.62. It still hasn't made new highs from the open of market. 269.68 was the high of the day at market open. It looks like it may try and test it and break above it. I would really like to see it break above 270. If it's not able to do it, then it brings up some concern. So I'm up for the day a little over 1.5%, which is good. But basically, taking these small position sizes and diversifying my portfolio, it's allowed me to hold through this past few red days that the market has had overall, to where it hasn't squeezed me out of it. And so I still have my positions. I was able to accumulate more, and if this plays out right, then we'll break above the 270 and start to see a lot more optimism for an uptrend that this market's going to pull out and start an uptrend and become more bullish. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I'll do a video tonight. Thanks for the support, and I'm gonna get some rest here in a little bit. So have a good day. Trade smart, manage risk, and I will talk to y'all tonight. See y'all later.